whether it is textile, whether it is food stuff, whether it is carpentry, they should be doing
Honorable Karen Odiambo, Member of County Assembly, representing Shauribolo Kaloleni Ward. So, Kibuye fall within my ward. I want to take this opportunity to welcome the city manager and his team, the managing director, Kiwasku, and the director from the Department of Health. As you heard later on, this market was closed as a result of cholera breakout. So we are here to be advised with the legal team and the Department of Health on what to do. And as you saw it there, the place is filthy. We cannot work in such an environment. So I just want to ask the traders to be calm as we complete the process. It will be done within 2 to 3 days, 4. Maybe next week you will be back and you will see with your work as usual. Thank you so much.
Director. My name is Frederick Oloch, Director for Public Health and Sanitation of Kisumu County. I want to take the opportunity to brief the traders on the progress. As you are aware that we had some cases of cholera in Kisumu County, and most of these cases were from Nyando, around Ahero, but we had a case that was coming from around this area. And given that Kibuye market is now the one that supplies food within Kisumu County and other parts of the country, it was very important for us to take appropriate action given that the sanitation condition of the market was not very good. We've gone round, we have realized that there is no even water connections that can be used for sanitary facilities like toilets. There are no things like even electricity. The drainage system is very poor, and the waste management and disposal is not there. So it is very important for us we had to close the market to make sure that we open the drainages. We also remove the structures that are blocking drainages. At the same time, make sure that there is proper cleaning of the toilets, reconnect the water and sewage system to the traders so that they work in the right place. If we don't do that, then there's a very serious risk that we are going to have cholera outbreak here and even other diseases. And given that the food that comes from here goes all parts of the country, we are taking action to make sure that this one is fastened, and in another 3 or 4 days we will be done. I think for now, let us do proper cleaning of the market, reconnection of the sewerage system, electricity and other social amenities.
Kwa majina naitwa Liswaga, na secretary mar Kibuye market management. To ada kwedo telo marach monchenie chiro mok nyal tiyo gi county maonge respect. We need maximum respect. We need humbleness, humbleness base. King one kendo kimuol to gik moko dhi maber. Koro ne gima ncho timore mondo obed environment maber. Akwayo all traders obed calm, obed humble, mondo gik moko losre maber, mondo kwa duogo obed environment maber, chiro bed gi orders. Otherwise, your rumors, let us avoid rumors. Rumor monga, wabedu rumors, gi respect, gik moko dhi maber. Joala untie, ungi kwe. Kwa kamano to badia say gwedho.